Hey everyone and welcome back. Let's take a deep look at our project structure and see how is project working at the moment. As I said, we have a backend system with Node.js. So each client will connect to same URL, something like this, with his own user ID, which is a 5-letter character at the moment. So our backend will have a data structure of connected device paired to their socket instances. So whenever we open the application, each device will connect with the specific ID to the backend. It goes for all the clients like the iOS and the website. As soon as we want to find a user to call, we send a signal to the backend that find user iPhone 1234, and it will search inside the data structure of the connections and find the iPhone 1234. If it exists, it will return back a signal that, hey, user 1234 or iPhone 1234 is online. Now we want to send a signal this time to iOS. So we start sending signal to the server, and server receive this start call and forwards it to iPhone 123. Here you can see the signal is received to iPhone 123. And then he will start watching that, hey, there's incoming call. Do you want to accept yes or no? And if it press yes, it accepts the call and sends back the accept signal. It goes all along like this and gives this signal to the device number 1. And then they are ready to exchange the session description and ice candidate. And after that, simply they will establish the connection and transfer video and audio. And that's the same structure for all other devices. So it doesn't matter if it's iOS or Android or a website. Now that's a brief introduction about our course. Let's dive deep to the code and see how we can set up such a project like this. Till the next video, see ya.